A $12.5 billion liquefied natural gas project has been approved for Curtis Island off Gladstone. It's the third mega project for the Central Queensland region, but locals fear it will add to the current housing crisis and cause environmental damage.
It had state and federal approval, and today investors of the Australia Pacific LNG endeavour gave it the green light.
We ultimately expect to be $20 billion as that project expands to what we call a two-train project.
The project includes development of coal seam gas fields, a pipeline to Gladstone and a LNG facility at nearby Curtis Island. Construction will take 4 years and create 6,000 jobs.
We think Queensland can deliver the people, the resources, the trades and the skills to do these projects.
Long term, the state will reap $850 million in royalties. It's the third mega project for Curtis Island, with 2 more in the pipeline. But the projects have contributed to a housing crisis in Gladstone. The REIQ says the rental vacancy rate there is 0.
It's going to put a lot more upward pressure on this market.
Housing developments are being approved.
I think we're going to see a property boom in Gladstone.
Despite strict regulations, some are worried about the environmental impacts.
We're dealing with a fairly stressed landscape and marine environment, and so the conditions won't necessarily be a good enough protection.
The first LNG exports to China are expected to begin mid-2015. Christina Harrison, 7 News.